Hey, this is Molly from Just a Little Creativity. Today we're going to make a farmhouse style heart to add to your Valentine's decor. These are the supplies that you'll need. You can find them at any big box store, craft store, or online. I'll leave the links below to help. I even found my wooden heart at my local Dollar Tree. First, you're going to paint your wooden heart white. For the farmhouse look, leave some of the wood showing through. This gives it the old distressed look that's popular in farmhouse decor. You don't have to be precise or even neat with the paint. You can do this part quickly. Next, when the paint is dry, place your typography over the heart. With the carbon paper under it, trace your words. This will leave a perfect duplicate of your typography on the heart. Then use your Sharpie to fill in the image of the letters. A fine tip Sharpie works great, but you can use a regular one as well. When you're finished with that and when it's dry, you're going to lightly distress the wood letters with a bit of sandpaper. Finally, use twine to hang your heart. If your heart doesn't have holes in the top for hanging, you can drill some in, or you can simply hot glue the twine to the back. Now it's ready for display. You can find a free printable tutorial for this project and many more on my blog at justalittlecreativity.com. Hope to see you there.